Hello everyone, this is Rookie on your screen today. Welcome to Math Key. In today's video, I want to show you how to solve equations with fractions part 1. And that means we're going to have a second part in this topic. Alright, so let's just go straight to the point. Supposing we have the algebraic equations x over 5 equals 3 over 5, 9 over d equals 9 over 10, and y over 4 equals 2 over 3. How do we go about each of these equations with fractions? Looking at the first equation, x over 5 equals 3 over 5, we can just equate the numerators since the denominators are equal. That is to say, we can say that the x equals to 3 because the 5 and the 5 under are equal. So the value of x from which this equation is true is just 3. Similarly, in the second equation, 9 over d equals 9 over 10, we can also say confidently that the d under is equal to 10 because the numerators 9 and 9 are also equal. However, in the last equation, y over 4 equals 2 over 3, the y is not equal to 2 because the denominators 4 and 3 are not equal. So the question is this: how do we go about this type of question in which the numerators or the denominators are not the same? Alright, now looking at this question, y over 4 equals 2 over 3, we are just going to adopt a method called cross multiplication. In cross multiplication, the numerator of the first fraction multiplies the denominator of the second fraction, and the denominator of the first fraction multiplies the numerator of the second fraction. Alright, so we're just going to try that right away. So the y on top multiplies the 3, and that gives us y times 3 at the left hand side, and at the right hand side we have that the 4 will multiply the 2, and that just gives us 4 times the 2 at the right hand side. Remember not to forget the equality symbol between these two products. Alright, so at the left hand side we have y multiplying 3, and that gives us the 3y, and at the right hand side 4 times 2 gives us exactly 8. Okay, so we're just going to divide both sides of this equation with the coefficient of y, which is 3. If you want to find out why we're dividing both sides, you can watch our video on solving algebraic equations with bracket or without bracket. So just go straight forward and divide both sides of this equation with the coefficient of y, which is 3. That means we're going to have fractions whose numerators will be 3y and 8. Okay, so the 3 divide both sides of this equation, and of course the 3 on top cancels the 3 under. So at the left hand side we just have that y equals 8 over 3, or 2 whole number 2 over 3. Let us look at this other example. 9 over 5y equals 9 over 20. In this example, we are just going to equate the denominators since the numerators are equal. Alright, so we have that the 5y equals 20, and this is our new equation. Alright, so we just divide both sides of this equation again with the coefficient of y, which is 5. And that means we're going to have fractions again whose numerators will be 5y and 20. So we'll go straight forward and then divide both sides of this equation with the 5. And of course, the 5 on top cancels the 5 under. And at the left hand side, what is remaining is just y, which is equal to 4, since 20 divided by 5 gives us 4. Alright, just a quick reminder, do not forget to smash that subscribe button down there and turn on your notification for recent uploads. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video. Bye.